All right, here's your update for finding our Comet 2019 Y4 Atlas. And this is going to be for Monday night, the 6th. I know that this says the 7th at 00 UTC. Remember, that's Universal Time. We're going off of Eastern Standard Time, which is going to be 8 o'clock on the 6th. So here's the north, and here's the west, and there's your marker. There's Venus, our nice bright spot in the sky. And so here's your dipper. There's Ursa Major, and it's upside down at this point. There's the handle, and there's the dipper. We come across, and here is Ursa Minor, your little dipper. And so we're still looking for those two minor stars off of the bear, but we're now over a fist away. Keep in mind that at 8 o'clock, it's just starting to get dark enough to actually see our stars. So I also have a map for 9 p.m. Okay, so I've advanced the sky map by 1 hour. And notice that your constellations have shifted position. They have. The comet didn't move. The reference stars moved. So here's the dipper. And there are those two minor stars that we're looking for. And there's Polaris and the Little Dipper. And we are over a fist away from those two minor stars. Now, when I say a fist, I mean hold your arm out, make a fist, and that's about a 10-degree-ish measurement away. You know, I love those ish measurements. They're not even remotely accurate because one person's fist is not the size as somebody else's. And so that's why we say it's about a fist away from those stars. But so this is what it's going to look like at 9 o'clock. Now, based off of the weather map, it looks like Monday is going to be the next clear night for star watching. So there's our update. And I made this from theskylive.com. Wonderful planetarium site. You can go in there and you can generate a map for whatever celestial object you want at any time period. I highly recommend that you go in and check that resource. So, happy stargazing. So if you're going to go out and observe Atlas Y4, you might as well go out and look for Atlas Y1. They're both at the exact same magnitude, which means they're both binocular comets. But so here's your north reference point, and here's your west. Keep in mind that this is still the 8 p.m. viewing on April 6th. And here's Venus, that bright reference point in the sky. And so we look over here. Here is Polaris and Ursa Minor, the Little Dipper. And we are right smack in the middle of the Milky Way there. So that's about 2 or so fists away from Polaris, but it might not actually be that easy to see because it's pretty close to the horizon. And it's probably about 2 fists away from the horizon, which is about 20 degrees off of the horizon. So there's the map at 8 p.m. on the 6th, and I've got a 9 p.m. map for you too. And so here's the position at 9 p.m. And so there's Polaris and our dipper. And so where is Comet Y4? Y4 is about right here. So they're not that far away from each other. The brightness is about the same. So if you're going out to look at one, you might as well go out and look at the other. So they're at magnitude 8, which does mean binoculars. And once again, this is generated with theskylive.com, that planetarium website. And go check out their list of comets. They give 100 and some comets. Not all of them are visible. This is at binocular point. Why I've been showing you the Y4 is because it's going to keep getting brighter because it's on its way into the sun. And so, I mean, I'm going to keep pointing that one out, and he's going to be easier to find because he's much higher in the horizon than the Y1 from Atlas. But so there he is. Happy viewing!